Hello, my name is Adriana. Together, we can understand that our shared human journey is one of compassion, beyond good and evil, right and wrong, the polarity opposite. That the liberation of our sexual creative force involves the integration of our whole personality as boundless compassion, implicit trust, infinite possibilities of the love and intelligence that we are, along with the unification of our masculine and feminine character attributes. Each transformation, internalization through the layers builds on the other, activating a progressive shift in sound vibrational frequency that subsequently opens up our DNA for greater levels of knowledge, wisdom, and empowered states of mind. As human beings, we have the capacity to convert sound into information. This is our individual grid or matrix that is the mirror of our universal grid and matrix. A road to freedom, peace, fulfillment, lasting happiness is through emotionally facing the dark side of our human personality, our primal mind for transformation. What we mean by this is the primal pleasure we feel from within our intrinsic destructive nature, riding high on the narcissistic fix of power and control, revenge and payback, and the thrill of the kill in all forms, psychological, physical, sexual, financial, etc., associated with the vanity of our negative ego, attached to image, whether it be financial image, sex appeal, status, etc. This process can delink the pleasure-pain neurological hardwiring in our human personality. Gradually, we can come to the understanding and internalization that we are no longer at the effect of, but actually are at emotional cause of, our polarised perception that is the survival of the fittest to the instinctual kill. And that the sum total of all the fears that we experience within our human personality is actually based in the deep feelings of self-disgust, self-hatred, obsessional guilt, never good enough, resentment that we have carried in our polarised blueprint from generation to generation, our historical memory bank. This transformation, for obvious reasons, doesn't just take place at an intellectual level, but rather through the power or transformative power of our heart qualities and emotional intelligence. As all the layers of protection and filters of our survival of the fittest, our superiority, inferiority, measurement, competition, separation, necessity, etc., are all dissolved out, and all our control patterns. At cause, our picture flips to an all-inclusive picture of universal compassion, trust, cooperation, the love, care and support of ourselves and each other, a true state of joy. As this picture flip takes place, the corresponding sound vibrational frequencies open up our DNA for the continuous flow of bliss and love within our mind and body. This is heart and mind at peace, reason and emotion in balance within our personality. In other words, our open heart, our open mind, our loving heart qualities driving our thoughts and behaviour. Freedom, ending our polarised perception of life. Our universal directives, underpinned by love and bliss, is a state unlimited by time, space, measurement, form and outcome, filter-free. A timeless, limitless, boundless, immeasurable, multidimensional, state of mind, true clarity. Our human desire for joy, freedom, peace, happiness, prosperity is the interconnectedness of our shared humanity. So please join us for our online webinar Q&A sessions and our live introductory events, or contact us directly on our website. Visit our website shiftingparadigm.com.au.